last day goes, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. One moment's forever, the next just a blink. And this the last day time we sink or swim.
Hi, I'm Ellie from Ellie Japan Beauty. I'm in Milano, Italy now. I arrived yesterday afternoon, came to the hotel and went straight to Sephora. Since I'm traveling, I decided to get this getaway set, and actually the reason I got this was because I really like the makeup bag. This includes 3 skincare products. The first one is the micellar cleansing water, and then we have the light cream, and then the last one is the gentle jelly cleanser. I actually already used these 2, and I really like how lightweight but moisturizing this cream is. It's free from silicone and fragrance, so this shouldn't cause irritation on my skin. I actually already used the SPF body cream, so it's this one. It's UVA and water resistant. It has this summery scent, and it also includes this golden tan maximizer, and they also have this 15ml sun protect face cream. And the interesting thing is that this is actually made in Monaco, and it was I think 40% off, so I decided to get this. And the next one are these eyeshadows. I think these were like €3 a piece, and they did additional 10% for buying 2. So I got the shades Strawberry Macaron and Hurricane Wave. I used these 2 this morning, and I did my base with the Strawberry Macaron and just the outer corner with the Hurricane Wave. And then the most exciting thing is this blush from Merit. As soon as I saw their stand, I knew I had to get this. So I decided on the color Fox, which is a really pretty tan shade. So I'm wearing this today. And it kind of looks like I have this slight sunburn, but I like the look. I'm using my Japanese SPF first, and then this one on top. Really pretty shade for the summer. I think I'm more cool tone, but this isn't too orange, so I feel like I can get away with it. And then the last thing I got is the Ordinary Salicylic Acid. This one is the 2% solution. I think they are doing 20% off sale in Sephora Italy this weekend, but all these brands were excluded from that, so I might be going back today. And I also visited Kiko Milano. I didn't have time to get anything there yet. I will be going back today. And also another Italian brand called, I think, Wycon. And they also had some great offers and really nice lipstick and lip liner shade. So I think I will be going back there today. And I'm staying at the Uptown Hotel in Milano. I will be including a room tour at the end of this video, so please stay tuned for that. So this is my last day in Milan, and I'm gonna show you what I got yesterday. So the second day. So first I got this dress from Mango. It's a long dress. And then these sunglasses. They are from an Italian brand called Nau, kind of like this cat shape. I went back to Sephora again, but I only got 2 things. So the first one is this heatless curling set. It was actually on sale. It's made kind of like this soft satin type of fabric. And I had a similar one that I got from Australia, but it was kind of like a towel type of fabric, and it was like a bigger and bulkier, so I think this would be great for travel. Here's the inside. It has this long thing that you put on top of your head, and these 2 to tie it from the bottom. The second thing I got from Sephora is this travel case. So I can put cream or powder in here, and it has 3 different cases attached to one big thing. So I thought that this would be really good for travel. And then I went back to the shop called Wycon, and I got these 2. They were actually in a set. So this lipstick in Glow Touch, and I'm wearing it today. And also this lip pencil in Charming Nude. So here is the swatch. And I really like the opening mechanism of the lipstick. So you push here and it pops out. But it is kind of like a bulkier case. So I'm not sure if this is good for travel or a small handbag. And then I got one thing from Kiko Milano. I think this might be their most popular product. It's the 3D Hydra lip gloss. So I'm wearing this today as well. It's in the shade 31. So this one. It has this nice shimmer. So I like using it in the middle. So that's all I got for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos in the future, and I will see you next time.